feels.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I was looking down. Alright, let's throw it across the woods. Let's kill it. Bad boy, you trying to get me? Hey, you! I want you. Hey, get away from me, sucker.
He tried to bite me.
Is it a...
No, it's a watermelon. So he's trying to bite me.
He's pointless, right?
I don't think so.
The worst, I'm telling you. He will not stop. He will curve. He will like move over and over. What a nice snake. We shouldn't call him.
Dang, see? Does he have teeth? No, he don't.
You probably took him out. No.
No, it's some water moccasins that are poisonous.
Oh, there's a TGV outdoors showing you that we save all of our creatures. Bye bye. Hope you get eaten by a vulture. Oh, go back.
What?